Welcome back to Trade Pro FX. Today is another amazing video. So those asking me about the Telegram channel, remember you should only go to what we call the Trade Pro FX. Let's join. Let's see. So the only account that is eligible for you to follow is Trade Pro FX official. You understand? So that is what you should need to follow, so that you can get updated and stay alert into the community. So you can see already we are at we have been posting the best things into the Telegram channel. Well, we are doing the same thing into the WhatsApp channels, and I'd like you to check at like this one. Now it is a domain name, and that's why we have https www.onedaytrading.com. so this one you can access it. So let me just show you something. So let's do something. So we can see here. So I want just to go here to the tabs. So you can see this is the onedaytrading.com. So right now you can use it as a public access domain name. So you can just type on your browser, just type onedaytrading.com, and then in case you want to see like the global analysis, you can just use how I was illustrating on the videos. Then the signals, these signal passwords are on the group, or either the Telegram channel, either you're on the WhatsApp channel. If you are along all those groups, the passwords are there. So if you want to access them, you can able to get them. So all the passwords have been distributed into those things. Then as you can see, I am at 35.09. I hope you can see that is a demo account. So there's something I was trying out. There's a system that is here for accumulators type. So let me show you. So this is the account. This is the account. I mean the platform. So if you check, we have been clearing the market, trading accumulators. Accumulators is one of the contract types, just like even odd, over under. It's usually found on Deriv. So I'm trying to build this AI to make sure that it will work correctly. So this AI is one best application that is working to only trade the accumulator side. So you just have to log in, and you'll get your balance, and then from here you just click here. So you'll just click at this point. Let's go to trading. You can see the AI, that is the VLSTC, that is 35 USD. So let's say you want to continue. Let's look, see whether we could reach 40 USD using it. So you'll just click that way, and then it will immediately begin trading. You can see it has already started doing the analysis. 98 best volatility, volatility 10-1s. So this is how it is trading. So you'll just need to wait for it to execute the trades. So let's just stop here and then close here. Then we go to the stats and see it executing trades. You can see it doing the trades. So we'll close it and it reaches 40 USD. So even if there will be a loss, you like that, there is a loss there, so you just wait for the market. It will still come back and proceed executing your trades well, so you have nothing to worry about. So do you think I should release it? Because I want most of the people to try and come and we do the analysis whether it is a good bot or whether we can use it. So you can see how it is doing when it is getting sniper entries. Anytime the market is flexible, so it's not doing guesswork, but rather doing the analysis that most human beings maybe cannot do it at a time. So you can see, if anytime it senses that the accumulators will get out of the barriers, it will just exit immediately. So for you to stop, you'll just be waiting for this point, then you just stop that AI point there. So let's wait for it to get to somewhere, and we see the results of how it will be behaving. So I've told you, you can also see the chart here, what is happening, everything that is happening, just similar to deriv, other than that now here it's doing the analysis back to our 35.40 USD. You can see, and I think it's one of the best things we can try and use to execute our trade. So let's first stop from there, then I show you something. So I've already stopped, that's how you can stop, and I've already shown you here is where you can get the stats. Then here is where you can ask it. Let's ask like here, let's ask it how much we have gotten. So you can talk in English or Kiswahili, so you can just tell it